Hey guys, Gina here, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my CVS haul. So today is Tuesday. I finally made it out to a CVS. So I finally made it out, and that's what's important. So I'm going to share with you guys everything that I picked up at CVS. I got some killer CRTs, so it made for really good deals for me. So it is Formula Week here at the Schweppe house, and the CVS brand formula, this is the 22.5 ounce. These are priced for $20.49. They are buy one, get one half off. And when you spend $20 or more in select baby care, you get a $10 extra care bucks. So I picked up two of them. It came to $30.73, and then you get the $10 extra care buck back. So it's like you're paying $20.73. So it's a pretty good deal. And if you compare the ingredients, it's the same as the Infamil, you guys. So never feel like you can't go CVS brand when it comes to formula, because it's the exact same thing. It's just store brand. So yes, got that. So then my second transaction, I did Eucerin. So Eucerin is on a buy 20, get 10. So our son Tanner, he has eczema. It flares up every once in a while. So it was time to stock up his stuff. So I went ahead and got the Eucerin Baby. This is the wash and shampoo. This is fantastic. And then I went ahead and got the Eucerin Baby Eczema Relief. So this is a body cream. And what makes, I'm just going to open this up for you guys. What makes this different than other body creams is how thick it is. And something that's different with this body cream compared to the Neutrogena Cotton Touch, it's a thick cream, but it keeps like the moisture in. If you test out the Cotton Touch, you'll know what I'm talking about. Like once you put it on the skin, it's very like watery, but this one is very thick and gives a really good layer of moisture. And if you have eczema, that's like key, is to keeping the skin moisturized and hydrated, because it helps the flare-ups and it helps the current flare-up that may be going on the skin. So if you didn't know that, you want a really thick moisturizer. So I picked this up, and then when I got to the checkout, the items were less expensive than I thought. So I made a mistake on transaction 2, but I used $2.50 off one coupons for Eucerin Baby. I got them for my pediatrician. So definitely ask your pediatrician for coupons, because doctor's offices get a ton of coupons. So if you ask, they will give it to you if they have them. And then I also got a CRT for 2 off 8 of Eucerin or Aquaphor. So that made for a really good pairing. And then I used $10 in extra care bucks from the formula purchase. So I ended up paying $3.24 after tax, but I still needed, what was it? I needed $1.22 more to trigger the extra care bucks. So I went ahead and picked up the original healing ointment. So this is the Eucerin healing ointment. It's priced for $6.49. I had another $2.50 off one coupon. So I paid $4.49 with tax, and then it triggered my $10 extra care buck. So then I went in to purchase some all detergent. So again, if your kids have skin sensitivity, the all free and clear is dermatologist and pediatrician recommended. So I picked up 2 of them. They're buy one, get one free. So they're priced for $6.99. And then I had $1 off one coupons for my pediatrician. And you can use a coupon on a free item. So I was able to use 2 of those $1 off one coupons. And then I did the Colgate deal. So Colgate is on sale for $3, and you're going to get a $2 extra care buck when you buy one. And then I sent $1 off one coupon to my CVS card. You can also find this coupon in your Smart Source this week, or you can print one from coupons.com. So after your extra care buck and coupon, it makes it free. And then I also got a coupon for $3 off any Preparation H. So I went ahead and picked this up. This is the Preparation H Totables. So it's basically a 10 count individually wrapped wipe. So if, you know, So I have absolutely no shame, and I have no problem talking to you guys about hemorrhoids because that's like a thing, especially if you have, given birth to children. Most of the time, if you, push out a child, you're probably going to get some sort of hemorrhoid at some point of your life. So one thing that you can, avoid irritation is not using toilet paper. You need to use some sort of moistened wipe, and this is going to help. It's going to help the pain that comes with hemorrhoids, and it's just overall going to help. So if I can help you guys by giving you some advice, I'm going to tell you. So your girl's going to talk to you about hemorrhoids because, again, I have no shame about it. So I got a $3 coupon that printed from the CVS Red Machine. So this was priced for $6 and let's see. So it was priced for $6.19. So that $3 off coupon made it $3.19. So I thought that was really good. And then I used the $10 extra care buck I earned from the Eucerin deal. So my total was $2.43 with tax. And then I got a $2 extra care buck for buying the toothpaste. So then my last and final transaction, I got 2 of the Always pads. These are the overnight pads. They're priced for 2 for $8, and I had a 3 off 2 CRT for feminine care. So that made them 2 for $5, and the regular price on these were over $5.99. So this was a really good deal. And for me, I don't like using tampons. After I've had kids, I just don't like using tampons. So anytime I can get a deal on pads, I'm all about it. So yeah, let me know in the comment section below what your preference is, because I hate tampons. I hate it. Just personal preference. So the next thing I picked up was a package of the Honest Company wipes. This is the 72 count of wipes, and these were priced for $5.69. And I got a $5 off CRT for any Honest Company baby care product. So that made this 69 cents. So that was a really great CRT. And then I picked up 2 more of the all detergent, so the all free and clear. So again, they were buy one, get one free. So I bought 2 of them for $6.99. And then I used 2 of those dollar off coupons from the pediatrician. So they were 2 for $4.99. I haven't checked Savings Star. Maybe I should. I've been slacking on my rebates with Savings Star. I really haven't been checking Savings Star, so I probably should check Savings Star for some rebates. So I ended up paying $10.05, so that was after the CRTs I mentioned and the $2 extra care buck I earned. So this was my CVS haul. So I was able to stock up on a lot of things that we needed for Tanner. He was in need of formula. We needed more laundry detergent because I only use the all free and clear on all the kids' clothes now. And we needed his eczema relief items. So this was a really great CVS week. I was able to roll my transactions. I did about 5-6 transactions. And then I did stop at my P.O. box, so I just want to go ahead and shout out those who sent cards. So a few little shout outs this week because I did stop at my P.O. box. One, I picked up some Santa stamps so I can go ahead and return some Christmas cards that were sent. So let's see, we got one from Shelly Oliver from Alabama. We also got one from Karen from Santa Ana. Oh, you're close to me. Also got one from Deb from Wisconsin. Jeff got his coupons for candles. I sent it to him and he got it, so he thanks you very much. If you didn't know, Jeff from Jeff Saves with Coupons, he is a candle fanatic. So if you guys ever want to send candle coupons to my P.O. box, I will forward it to Jeff. And then my girl Vicki Fellers. And we also got one from Maxine Simmons from Nashville. And then I got something from Roxana from Sylmar, California. So this is in a little mailer. And I was in need of a mailer, so I'm totally going to reuse this mailer. I always reuse my mailing supplies. So let's see what she sent me. Oh, cute. Oh, I love this. Anything pineapple, you guys know I absolutely love. And this must be a new one from the Dollar Tree because it's Crown Jewels. Tough on the outside, sweet on the inside. I absolutely love this. Thank you so much. And there is a little Christmas card. Let it snow. Aw. Thank you, Roxy. Thank you so much. So I absolutely am going to deck out this package I'm sending with some pineapple flares. So thank you so much for sending that to me. You did not have to do that. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like it so I know you have enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel, and I will talk to you guys all later.